Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies, Pisces. So cards are just flowing out of the deck, guys. This is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Pisces, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that reading. That may give you more clarity in your circumstances. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. First, we have Judgment, Two of Cups and Nine of Cups. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship or maybe in your work circumstances, you are maybe going towards a better state of things. All those problems or whatever you had is resolving, things are changing, your circumstances are definitely changing, and you're healing from all those emotional stress, or it may be financial stress that you experienced in your work. So you are your circumstances are improving. Even in this relationship, things are changing. Maybe with this person you would have had some arguments or some fights maybe, but that is changing. You are really happy today. You have love and respect. All those misunderstandings has brought you both closer, and you feel really friendly because you understand them. You know what is there deep down in their heart of hearts, and even they understand you in a better way today after all those arguments, and they feel really happy to be with you, and you have a great intimacy, attraction in this relationship, and you feel really happy to be with this person you love. And you are maybe thinking of something else also. Maybe you're talking to your friends, taking their advice and guidance about this relationship. Maybe this dramatic change has made you really cheerful, and you're just boasting to your friends maybe, or talking to them about this person you love, because you are really happy that situation has turned around and things are going in a very positive way for you all, guys, Pisces, and you are really happy sharing your happiness with your friends or family, and you are in true joy, excited about this relationship, and you are excited where this connection is going to go next. Maybe you are thinking of marriage and you want to know what this person is thinking, maybe of marriage or engagement. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Wheel of Fortune in reverse. So circumstances are going to go beyond your expectation, guys. Something lucky, something in you just cannot explain the happiness you are going to see in your life today, the way this relationship is going, and you are really happy, and that is the reason you are talking to your friends or family about this person you love. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. So for your career circumstances, we have 7 of cups. So you are making huge plans for your career, dreaming about your future, expecting certain things. But are you making the efforts necessary? If you are making the efforts, you are going to see success very soon. But if you are not, you need to concentrate more on your efforts, guys, because hard work will never go for waste, Pisces. So that is the energy with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. And stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, strangely lonely, holding on way too tight. So maybe in your circumstances today, you are holding on to some ideas or maybe some belief you have, and you are not willing to let go of it. And though you are with people who care for you, who love you a lot, you feel really lonely because you are, what to say, holding on to some belief system or something, and you need to connect to it day on a day-to-day basis. Maybe you are doing something, maybe practicing some rituals or holding on to something very deep, something very secretively, and you feel really happy to be in that space, to have that alone time, be in that space, because you have a lot of imagination and you are someone who loves that time with yourself. And today you may not like the people who are disturbing it, and you even fear letting people so close to you that they will come to know what you are deep down, what you are really. So you just keep them away, a step away, shielding yourself. But today the energy with this card is, maybe at least for a moment, you should let go of this obsession, or maybe you should not hide yourself so secretly. You must let at least one person, someone who is truly concerned about you, who truly loves you, to let them come closer to you, let them in. That is going to change, at least for a moment. So you must let go of all your obsession, or maybe you are pushing certain people away from you because you are scared that it will affect that delicate balance you have. And your inner world is much richer than your outer world, so you simply enjoy in that space, in that alone time. But today you need to if you want to recreate your world in a better way, you must willingly, consciously allow someone close to you that is going to impact you in a positive way. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, Archangel Raphael. So with this card, It just means that angels are here guiding us, and this angel stands for healing, and this angel protects us when we are traveling. So if you are traveling, you can pray to this angel for a safe travel. And also this angel card just means that we are healing emotionally, physically and spiritually. So it just helps us, this angel influences us to take up a healthy lifestyle, what will make us heal physically. At the same way, what is emotional healing? Giving up all those toxic feelings that we have. So this angel also assists us in that, and it gives us insight into what is beneficial for us, what is beneficial for us mentally, what is good for us physically, and what is the right thing for us emotionally and spiritually. And this angel stands for healing power, guys. So you can pray to this angel, or you are on the path to healing. So you are changing your lifestyle, trying to do things in a better way, improving your health, and even in your personal life. Maybe you are hurt about something, or you're feeling hurt. You should give up all that hurt, and you must try to be more positive. Give up all those toxic feelings of hurt, resentment, guilt, whatever you have, and move towards positive feelings. Be aware of your circumstances and the blessings that you have in your life today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.